Today let's take a look at this. It's a universal clamp for GoPro, or you can actually use this with other cameras. This box, I got this on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description. This name. Alright, let's get to taking it out of the box. That's what it looks like inside. There's the gooseneck. Real solid feel. It's really solid. It's not. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Metal, all metal. Nice feel to it. Bend it. Let's see what else. Swivel head, like you could mount a regular camera on, or I think, yeah, you can use it with this too, so you can turn it to different angles. Doesn't feel too bad. This is metal, this is plastic, metal screw. Little thumb screw part, that's plastic. It feels kind of cheap, but probably alright. What you're going to use it for. Clamp. It's not bad. What's good about this, even if you didn't like this clamp, it's not bad. It doesn't feel too cheap. But the good thing about this, two screws in there. Just take this off and mount this to, just take a regular one of these clamps from the hardware store and just mount that on there and go at it that way, if you ever have to. Let's put this together real quick. It's gonna sound strange, but this thing's got it stinks. It's like a chemical smell, I guess, whatever they use to protect the metal or something. The oil or something they might have put on it. It's got a bad smell to it. It's not too bad, but if you don't like stuff that stinks, that might be a problem. Right, let me get my GoPro and be right back. We put this on the pivots all around. Solid. And let's clamp it on the shelf. See if I can get the camera up here. Here's the edge. Here's the edge of the shelf. Let's see. Be good if you're filming something, you wanted to angle it down like that or something like that. Clamp it on a ceiling fan. Probably get a pretty neat shot doing that. I don't know. But I might try this out with my other camera for doing videos where I want to look down on something without a tripod being in the way. Alright, and that is the universal clamp mount. Thanks for watching.